It's easy to ship your bike the best way to the 2024 edition of RAGBRAI. You'll get shipping services from Bikeflights along with at-event concierge services from Pork Belly Ventures. Head to Bikeflights' online store and select one of 2 event packages. If you already have your own bike box or case, choose package A. If you need a bike box or case, choose package B. It comes with a Bikeflights Bike Box Large that ships directly to you and packs in 15 minutes with minimal bike disassembly required. It's just a few clicks more to finish booking. First, select what bike you'll be riding, a traditional bike or an e-bike. Next, choose your premium protection, which is insurance for your bike in transit. $1,000 is included and you can opt for more. We recommend you purchase enough to fully cover the market value of your bike. Finally, select whether you want your bike assembled for you prior to the event, packed afterwards, or both. Or you can select none and do it yourself. We'll process your order within 1 to 2 business days. If you ordered a box, you'll receive it within 1 to 6 business days depending on your location. Your shipping labels will be emailed to you by Tuesday, July 2nd, 2024. Print your labels, pack your bike, and apply them ahead of pickup on Tuesday, July 9th, when we'll send a UPS driver to come get it. Your bike will then be ready for you at the event, assembled or not, depending on what options you booked, by Saturday, July 20th. On the flip side, you'll drop your bike off, packed or not, also depending on which options you booked, by Saturday, July 27th, 2024 at 5 p.m. local Central Time. And we'll get your bike headed home to you. Bikeflights.com. We ship, you ride.